If we offline, we cannot access the data, but we also don't want to catch the response by using the service worker, and this might constantly serving the old data from our cache. When we offline, we want to make a request to a new document to the database, and it will pass through the IndexedDB and store there first. So when the internet comes back, it will put back the data to the database. So it will in sync with what we have in the IndexedDB. And likewise, if anything changed in the database when offline, it will also sync back to the IndexedDB. And Firebase makes this process very easy, and it will automatically sync in background for us. So we just need to add a bit of code to enable these functions. So let's jump back to the code and let's implement this offline data behavior. So we go back to the db.js and go to the top and type db.enable persistence .catch, and if error.code is equal failed precondition, then it will console.log multiple tabs opened, and else if error.code is equal and implement, it will console.log browser not support. Now we go to the service worker and uncomment this code. We don't want to run this code if we are making a request with the Google API. So at here we type if event.request.url.index of firestore.googleapis.com. So if the request include this string is triple equal to -1, it should be if the request do not include this string, so we can run this bunch of code. Otherwise, we do not run this. At the db.js, there are some typo here. We should use a E instead of A. So we save again. Now we can see the data here, and we can go to the applications, and we can go to the IndexedDB. And here you can see the collection context is stored here. So now if we make it offline and skip waiting, and then refresh, we can still see the data here even though we already checked offline.